Welcome back everybody. Got another turning project for you today. Today I'm going to be making a nice little bowl for you out of this piece of Red Malle Burl. But before we get on with that, I want to have a quick word with you about Maker Central. I will be there this coming weekend. So yeah, I'll leave all the links in the description for where you can get your tickets. I'll be there, like I said, on all weekend. I'll be demoing at the Record Power stand on the Saturday. I'll also be on the stand called Make with Makers. I'll be there with our podcast, Makers International. I'll be there with the Fools with Tools podcast. Sophie from Make It Soap will be there. The Red Smith will be there. Crafts with Ellen will be there. Many people will be there. I'll also be doing some turning over at the Easy Wood Tools booth, filling in a few little gaps. The people over there will be people like Caitlin the Cat, Jim Overton, Zach Higgins, Daryl from Dreadnought Woodshop, Jake Thompson. Yeah, loads of great guys over there. So yeah, definitely come over and check out all of them stands and all of the other stands while you're there, and just it's going to be a great hell of a show. So yeah, let's get on with the turning. Hope you enjoy. Take it easy.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah, never know, nah-nah. She will never know, myself or 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your